you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have August collaboration with STYLEVANA. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received this box by STYLEVANA. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, this is going to be the August collaboration. So they actually asked if they could send me a set. Now I know on the last video, they did send me one little like 4-piece set, and I had a lot of you guys have positive interaction with that one and say that you really like the fact that they sent a set so we could use multiple products from one brand, and I absolutely love that as well. That's like my main thing. I love to be able to use from start to finish the same brand. I don't care if I alternate that brand every other day, but I love to use all of the same products from the same brand. So when they reached out to me for the August collab, they asked if they could send me a kit, and I was like, oh my gosh, that would actually be perfect because my viewers loved the fact that you sent a little kit in the last one. So I'm super excited to see what is going to be inside of here for the kit to use. So I'm really excited to show you guys this particular box. So for all of those that loved the fact that there was a kit in there, you're probably going to love this one. So let's get inside. When you get into it, of course, they package their bags or their boxes so well. And everything is going to be in here. So there's 2 different kits and a little product down here. So let's go over this little loose product first. It says Skin Food 1957 Tomato Tone Up Sun Cream SPF 50 plus. Special food ingredient to feed your skin. Contains nutritive and energizing ingredients like fresh plants and fruits to maintain healthy and lively skin. And in the summer months, I will never complain about getting a sunscreen, especially these smaller sizes. I can drop down in my purse, leave in my car, put in my golf bag. You can put them in your gym bag, your beach bag, your whatever bag, and have sunscreen at hand. And it says that it's a tomato tone up sun cream. So that is super cute. So there is this product right there. And let me remove the plastic. How to use at final step of skincare routine. Apply evenly on the areas that are exposed to sun. And that's what it looks like without the plastic. Okay, so now let's get into the kits. Ooh, this one's a hefty. Let's do this one first. It says Beauty of Joseon? I'm not quite sure how to say that, but it's a collab with STYLEVANA. Oh, okay, so this, I don't know how to say the brand, but I do know that is their logo. And I have received quite a few different products with this logo on them, and I love everything that I have received. So I'm super, super excited for this collab. Ooh, all right, so let's get in here. Okay. Ooh, and look at all these products inside. Oh my goodness. Okay, so there's all of these little packets that was in that one little box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here's 7 different things, and it says that it is a cream. It's a moisturizing and nourishing cream providing healthy glow. That is so cool that they're little individually wrapped little things here. So you have the cream that was all inside of here. This guy here is a glow serum. Then we have a calming serum. Ooh, with green tea. So I love that there's 2 different serums. So if you have like little flare-ups or anything with your skin and you want to use the green tea to calm your skin, you can use that. Or you have the other one for glowing skin to use for the serum. So I like that there's 2 different serums in this kit. And then this one must be the bubble toner. And it's in this little bottle right here. How cool is that? And it says bubble toner, green plum. So you just squirt it out and use the toner. That is really, really neat. So that is the 4 different products that came down in this particular set. And then we have one more set over here, and that is this one right here. I don't want to butcher the name, but it is another collab with STYLEVANA, and that is the name of the company right there. It says, we all have a Wonder Woman inside of us. Be Wonder. Yes, we're all Wonder Woman down inside. So let's get inside of this one. I'm so excited. Your skin is 80% of your selfie. Wow, look at all these products in here. I'm so excited. And these look like all like really full size products. Okay, so this one looks, this is the small, I'll go with the smallest to the biggest from this box. This one here says that it is a black rice hyaluronic toner. Any skincare, you guys know I'm absolutely loving. Any toners, anything like that. So here is a toner. This one is the black rice hyaluronic toner. So is this a bigger size of the other one that I just pulled out? Let me see. If it is, then that is really neat because I can save the other one for travel. And it is. Okay, so this says black rice hyaluronic toner, black rice hyaluronic toner. So this is like a smaller one, and I like that because this one I can actually save and take with me when I do travel. So I can take a little small toner with me. That would be amazing. So it says ultra deep technology. This is a really pretty bottle. I like the ombre effect. It's like a gray to a clear. That is actually really pretty, if you can see that. And then you have this small one here. I'm going to use this one for travel. I like that there's two different sizes. That is really neat. And then we have is a black rice moisture 5.5 soft cleansing gel unscented 100 ml. Ooh, okay, so we have a cleansing gel in the same packaging. I like that ombre effect. Super, super pretty. And this feels like it's like a metal top or something. Maybe it's not, but it just feels of nice quality. So you have the cleanser. And then in here, it says black rice facial oil. So you have the oil to put on as well, which is the same product line. So here is the face oil with the dropper. And then you have a black rice hyaluronic anti-wrinkle serum. Ooh, okay. And especially since I'm going to be 41 soon, I definitely am using any type of like skincare that'll help keep my face looking so young. You make me feel so young. And this is so cool. I like this actual packaging too. I like how it's like, it's different. It's definitely different. And it is an anti-wrinkle serum with deep technology. Then the last item down inside of here, you guys, it's a black bamboo mist. Okay, so do we have a facial mist? Ooh, this is a really neat kit. This one is a really neat kit. And look, it has the green ombre effect. And it is a ultra deep technology. Let me remove this sticker on this side so we can get it opened. And does it have any directions? Fermented black bamboo and bamboo shoots. How to use. Whenever your skin is dry, close your eyes and sprinkle it on your face. And then pat to absorb. Okay, so let's see. Let's shake it up a little. Very fine misted, if you can see that. But it feels really nice. So you have a face mist. So whenever you're feeling a little dry, you can go to spray your face at any given time, over makeup, under makeup, whatever you would like. This now is I really like this box set because you get the face spray, you have the anti-wrinkle serum, you have a toner, and then you have a smaller toner, you have the serum, and then you have the face cleanser. That's a really good set, you guys. Like, this is a really neat, because then you get to use like a whole skincare regimen from one brand. And I like that. I love using all of the same brand. So that is everything that I have to show you for the August collaboration. Go ahead and comment down below. What did you think of the products that they sent this time? Have you checked out STYLEVANA? They have so many different products when it comes to skincare, beauty, makeup, that kind of thing. You can find anything and everything from their site, let me tell you. I do have my own code if you would like to check them out. My code is INF10 SheCrafty, and that'll get you 10 to 15% off depending on the dollar value that is in your cart, but at least 10% off with that code. Again, INF10 SheCrafty. So that is everything that I have to show for this August collaboration. I'm so glad that they are actually sending me different products, completely different every single month, so we can see different things that they have to offer, where they have like everything to offer when it comes to Korean skincare products, you guys. Everything is on there. They have so many different things. So comment down below and let me know, have you ordered anything from STYLEVANA? Do you want to? Do you have things on a cart that you're waiting to get? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.